The Specialised Textiles Association proudly presents the winners for the 2019 Australian Textile Fabrication Industry Awards. Congratulations to Stitch Trim for Ski Boat Cop This. Congratulations Stitch Trim for the awesome Tinny Bimini project. Congratulations North Queensland Trimming for 37 Ford 5-window coupe. Congratulations to Blinds by Peter Mayer for the Tilt project. Congratulations Versatile Structures for Coffee Club Capalaba. Congratulations Cheney Shade and Canvas for the Alice River Shade Sale project. Congratulations to Patterns for the Australian Open Festival structure. Congratulations to Abacus Shade Structures for Ride Outdoor Youth Space. Congratulations to Fabritecture for the Currumbin Sanctuary project. Congratulations WeatherSafe WA for Car Giant Coburn project. Congratulations to Goldberg Abilene Studio for the Microcosm project. Congratulations to Abgal Liners and Covers for their PMW Innovation project. Congratulations to DNR Group for Eco Safari Glamping Tents. Once again, congratulations to all of the winners of the 2019 Australian Industry Textile Fabrication Awards, presented by the Specialised Textiles Association.